What's going on, Chemical Guys family, and thanks so much for tuning in for today's episode of Detail Garage. Today we're going over the topic of how to choose a pressure washer and a few things to keep in mind when you're looking for the right machine for your automotive detailing needs. So right off the bat, there's obviously two kinds of pressure washers where you have electric as well as gas, and both have their pros and cons. So starting off with the gas pressure washer, you can achieve more power, meaning more PSI and more gallons per minute, but they're very noisy, they're very heavy, and they can be very cumbersome. While on the other hand, you have an electric pressure washer, which is very lightweight, it's very quiet, but it may not produce as much power as a gas pressure washer would. An electric pressure washer is very low maintenance, meaning all you really need is an electrical outlet as well as a water source, whereas a gas pressure washer requires gasoline, oil, a spark plug, and routine maintenance to make sure that it's completely working at optimal performance. One of the biggest reasons we like the electric pressure washer is because of how quiet it is and also the auto shut-off feature. So on a gas pressure washer, it's constantly running, and even with a very small motor, it makes a lot of noise. Whereas an electric pressure washer is very quiet, which is great for you guys who live in condos or in apartments where you want to keep that noise level down. This is a great way to not only detail your car safely, but also quietly. Two terms you're going to commonly hear when you're looking for a pressure washer is PSI and GPM. Now what that stands for is pounds per square inch as well as gallons per minute. PSI is the amount of pressure that's created in 1 square inch, which is the water outlet, whereas GPM is the amount of water that's actually flowing through the machine. A higher PSI and a higher GPM are great for your industrial cleaning or cleaning around the house where you have your walls and driveway. But for automotive detailing, it's great to have a mid-range of about 1200 PSI, and this is safe for cleaning your vehicle's paintwork, your wheels, and anything else around your vehicle. Too much PSI with the wrong tip can actually have the potential to damage your vehicle's clear coat and paintwork. It's great for cleaning around the house again, where you can remove your stains from your driveway, all that kind of grease and buildup. But for automotive detailing, you want to take the precaution and use the correct tip for the job. Let's talk about Max PSI. It's industry standard to list your max PSI, and in the case of the PM2000 ProFlow, it has a max of 2030 PSI. Now it has an operating PSI of 1305, and in our professional experience, we found that optimal PSI for automotive detailing is between 1200 and 1300 PSI. As we mentioned, it's industry standard to list your max PSI, and the reason for this is for the consumer to know that that unit will never go over that number, and also so you can make an informed decision on choosing the right pressure washer for your needs. With so many different brands of pressure washers on the market and so many numbers, we know it can be confusing, which is why Chemical Guys has taken the time to design a pressure washer designed specifically for automotive detailing. It's great for professionals as well as newbies to get great results. Lastly, not all pressure washers are built the same, meaning that the components that come inside of the box are not universal. So it may be hard for you to find a foam cannon that attaches to your particular wand, but the PM2000 uses a universal wand that attaches to any 1/4 inch quick connect, and it also has the ability to switch from an extended barrel to a compact barrel, and if you have a snubby, you can also attach it using the included quick connect. This will thread to the bottom of your snubby and then attaches directly to the hose, and now you can use your ProFlow with your snubby. And finally, the included tips, which give you a range of fan patterns, gives you a very gentle clean on your paintwork of your vehicle as well as any kind of sensitive areas, and then working your way all the way down to this 0-degree tip, which gives you a pencil point precision for that really tough cleaning jobs, again on your sidings of your buildings, your walls, as well as the ground, to clean away stubborn messes. So with that being said, we hope that this video has cleared up some of the confusion that comes along with choosing a pressure washer, and that can be for a gas or an electric pressure washer, knowing what PSI is, as well as what gallons per minute is and what that means. Now, if you're looking for a pressure washer specifically designed for automotive detailing, the PM2000 ProFlow is the way to go. And you can check it out on our website, chemicalguys.com, or your local detail garage. If you guys liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comments down below for any further pressure washer questions you may have, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the detail garage.